You step on the gas and a 2-ton machine surges forward. But the fire burning inside the engine never touches the road. Here's how we turn controlled explosions into rolling tires. Power begins inside the cylinder. First, intake. The piston descends, pulling an air and fuel mixture into the cylinder through open intake valves. Next, compression. The valves seal shut as the piston travels back up, compressing the mixture for maximum power. Then, the power stroke. A spark ignites the fuel. Expanding gases force the piston downward, generating raw mechanical energy. Finally, exhaust. Exhaust valves open, and the piston sweeps back up, clearing out spent gases. Up and down motion can't turn a wheel. A connecting rod links the piston to an offset crankshaft. As the piston drives down, it pushes the rod, leveraging the crankshaft into continuous rotation. The crankshaft can spin at thousands of revolutions per minute, but it lacks the leverage to move a heavy car from a dead stop. Rotational energy enters the transmission, where selectable gear ratios multiply torque to launch the vehicle, then step down to lower engine speed for efficient highway cruising. Spinning power leaves the transmission down a drive shaft toward the driven wheels. Before reaching the tires, it enters the differential. When you turn a corner, your outside wheel must travel further than your inside wheel. The differential splits torque between both side axles, allowing them to spin at different speeds without binding. Finally, the rotating axles spin the wheel hubs, forcing the tires against the pavement to propel the vehicle forward, all happening hundreds of times every minute you drive.